Seneta wa kaunti ya MERU nowe munini wa SPIKA ndene ya mbunge nene ya Senate KATHURI Murungi na ugite to mwanka pakarenthiguru na gavana kenda kureta kigina kia ward fada kiaria kiri kigomano kiria giukari muchine jwa Nairobi na gikuretete amwe SPIKA ba mbunge cia nthiguru KATHURI ugite bakaria na kugwatanira na rais wa Kenya kenda gutigira kigina giki nigikuonora na gukurukua na araugite kinya michara ya MCAs nigintu bakathingatira na gira nigi kuongerwa Boniface Mongera na gukari kigomano negeke na nagutwa chikinya.
I Honorable Chege Mwaura
ne kiatho giotiganiro Ûtongeria kiangwatiro bunge cia kaunti riji kiene moja county assemblies forum nombene ne KICC ntukwenarua mukarigite mumaroku norore speaker bunge county Nyandarua bwana Ndegwa Ome na atongithire kamukia kama kero ka MCs baba ingi barabo kali kunywe kwa SRC ne batari kwethire kiongera mushara jo MCs na mungara jo 60 kumara jole kire mungara jo 13.
The president of this country, his salary is known. A member of parliament is paid 43% of the salary of the president. We are asking that a member of the county assembly be paid 43% of the governor's salary. Today, the member of the county assembly is paid 16% of the governor's salary. And a member of parliament is paid 43% of the president's salary.
Seneta kaunti MERU bona KATHURI Murungi orokari mugeni ogiteo kiri kiatho kigantu kwenarua miari ewe nionekana gitania kinya we kinya na yande wa Ome arabogire mbeca cia on fund ichibatera kwithira ikirwa kire watho kurigire mikushano kwithira kionekana.
I'll talk to the leadership and see how we can initiate it again, because after the 6 months have lapsed, we revive it again so that we talk to our brothers in the National Assembly again through His Excellency the President to ensure that we have one development fund.
We are asking that in that constitutional amendment, and we have already approached the Speaker of the Senate and the Speaker of the National Assembly, that WDF, Ward Development Fund, be part of that discourse, so that when there is entrenchment of CDF and GAF into the Constitution, it will go together with WDF.
Na nonto bunge cio ijire icitite rutha December kuma kiumia kia mbere kia mweri jwa December ona bacokera mweri jwa iri kweja gwitira miro Speaker KATHURI Murungi mbeca cia on fund ikethiro ciikurukwa na cia watho.
The hygiene the proposal ya constitutional amendment it first reading. So at the first reading it is the public participation almost that and is also lewecho kabunga kaire second reading. Atuge 3 months also ni batikithirwa itayari
roaria rondi fund kwithirwa iki watho na ru rithirito kuma karaja ende mpatho katika gavana Kaira Mwangaza na MCs babunge county MERU ichitumite rithiriro giukira rwaburaburwa na inyakwanikwa ithanaku kuringana mathogana na mere Seneta KATHURI Murungi ni ati mpatho ndene county MERU ichikinyirite muthia no tinajirio yawe na gavana kwithirwa betirimana na kwaria
na itogire ngavana ba kugwatina na MCs so story ni thirire ya kuchemania na kwithira kwina issue nonto MCs ibagwatanire thea betire ki control of budget na betikanira bagaita ngogi so nte gwithia kwina thina MERU kaire na issue ira chari cha thirire
bari akwarania mheshimiwa Kaira ri
nte gwithia ni na issue Yegi nyagwa ntumbo kuolerera bura kwale na mtu fulani. You know those are personal issues. No, those are personal issues. No. The personal issues you don't think iko na haja ya kwande issue, but the county government of MERU ni titaboega na ibendere gwitira ntungugi. Oni am focus ite kuona make sure na ndi mwaka juju ijite tukongera more resources chiname.
Boborio bonge Seneta KATHURI Murungi na tumanite no ria kwithira kwina kwerenwa gati kariti ngwebogima ndene county MERU na gavana Kaira Mwangaza araugite thinira cithirito ciro kiri mantune jogima ikethiro cithiriro kiri thirikari cia county no ntorwa nyuroro rotomboco go kiri thirikari nene
ambuge thinire rio ni bati go streamline nethira functionary and involved ni bati kwa involved yo wikari kira kiara wakija ki national government ni commission tu ya health care professionals be na commission janati yeah jora ona organization kambonde ya kubatetaira rabe na issues lakini ora health involved yo utu kutena makosa lakini yako bati kwithira kwina capacity ya kungana. For example kiranta gete kuona county china capacity Kenya equipu health facilities iriro so ne bati tegero kwere thura budget is it enough ya kwithira igita akiothikia kana ke bati kuongera then abo governance ibambe on capacity ya kwithira bena competent antura bakuthithia bakurungamira ogimo bomwiri
nke reporter Ntosheru TV Njuma kumaja kingina ngine kithoke Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.